Hey there, this is Camerie. I'm back again, and today I am in my hallway, standing in front of one of the messiest rooms in this house. So I have planned that I want to do a surprise makeover for my kids' room, but can't do that with the disaster zone that's going on in there. Okay, so they were complaining that I was continuously nagging them about how messy their room is all the time and to clean their room and keep it clean. So for the past month, not even a month, it's been about 3 weeks, I have just let them be. And so I haven't nagged them, I haven't told them to clean their room, I haven't told them anything, I haven't told them to put away their toys, nothing. So I'm going to show you the result of kids being kids and living by their free will. Come with me now. Okay, so I just want to warn you, if you have a weak stomach, you might not want to watch this video. Nah, I'm just playing. But seriously, okay, look at this. Alright, so I am going to get started cleaning in here.
And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for your hunger. And I've been waiting for you. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for your sorrow to land on me. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for the future. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for us. And I've been wishing, wishing, wishing for your laughter to land on me. Lay your trust, your burden. Lay your hope on me. Yeah. Take this love that I got. If you want it. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for a reason. And when you came into my life, you were the one. And I'll be holding, holding, holding on forever, or as long as you want me to. Lay your trust, your burden. Lay your hope on me, yeah. Take this love that I got, yeah. If you want it. Life sends this love around.
Alright, so I wanted to take a second to show you this. This is not 3 weeks worth. This is when I told them to clean their room. They would shove everything underneath of the bunk beds. How wonderful, right? I believe that's even a bag of trash. I'm not going to say for sure, but I believe it is. I just can't believe it. Oh my God. This is insane.
Land on me. And as I lay your trust
Alright, so most of this was under the bed. So let's see. Pretty cleaned out. Just have a few things. I'll have to pull the bed out and get them out of there once I clean this pile up.
Now get some peace of mind, and I'm not gonna waste my time. Can't believe that I was so blind. All I want is to press rewind, but I'm gonna be just fine. Honestly, I don't care what you think about me breaking free from everything we were. And it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. Yeah, you made a big mistake that you will realize someday. By then it'll be too late, 'cause I know that it's all just fake, but I'm gonna be okay. Honestly, I don't care what you say about me breaking free from everything we were. And it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. Now I've got peace of mind, 'cause I'm leaving you behind. I don't know about you. You were just a waste of time, but I'm gonna be just fine. I don't know about you, and it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. And it's all because of you. Did you think I'd forget it? All because of you. It'll be clearer in a second. All because of you. All because of you. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Be with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
I know you know I am always by your side. Been years ago since we met that very first time, and still you blow my mind, the girl that cheer me up. I know you know that I still can't get enough. There's no fuss and fight, you make my life so easy. I can't believe you're mine, I know you'll never leave my side. No, 'cause even when you're getting dressed, half asleep, your hair's a mess. Without makeup, still the best. Girl, you're different from the rest. People say that you're divine, something that they call divine, but you wouldn't even care at all. That's why you're beautiful. That's why you're beautiful. That's why you're beautiful. That's why you're beautiful. Got no need to show it all. 'Cause you're so real. People whisper and they stop, and you still blow my mind, girl, to cheer me up. Yeah, but what's the deal? Girl, I still can't get enough. No. There's no fuss and fight, you make my life so easy. I can't believe you're mine, I know you'll never leave my side. No. Oh, 'cause even when you're getting dressed, half asleep, your hair's a mess. Without makeup, still the best. Girl, you're different from the rest. People say that you're divine, something that they call divine, but you wouldn't even care at all. That's why you're beautiful. That's why you're That's why you're beautiful. That's why you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Tonight we will celebrate our love and our life. We'll be together, you and
Oh shoot. Hell no! I'm so done. I'm done with this mother trucking room. Gonna burn the whole damn house. Oh.
they call divine, but you wouldn't even care at all. That's why you're beautiful. Oh, that's why you're beautiful. That's why you're beautiful. Oh, that's why you're beautiful. That's why you're beautiful. That's why you're beautiful.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place without you.
Alright guys, here is the final reveal. It is all clean and mopped and ready for me to come in and start painting. I just have to take all that down and stuff, but it is clean in here. That's the stuff that's gonna go underneath their bed, dresser, bed. I didn't get rid of the Legos, but I put them away and they are grounded from them for a while because obviously they can't clean them up. But this is all we're left with. Oh yeah, when I was trying to close the closet, I don't know, the door is stuck and it's not wanting to close because the hinges are kind of loose or something. The doorknob ripped off, so I'll have to get that fixed. But that's still a mess in there. I'll fix that because those are shorts and I'm gonna have to hang them up anyways, so I will do that. And I actually took the hooks off of that door and put it on the back of here so that they can keep their jackets that they use every day on the back of this door. There are the hooks for hats, and he does have more hats, but I don't know where they are. Alright friends, that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. I post content like this all of the time. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.